want these things delivered, Mr. and Mrs. Geller?
Oh.
No.
No.
We are not married.
We are having a baby together, but we're not involved. We were seeing each other a while ago, but then we were just friends, and then there was one drunken night. Or, yes, stranger, we'd like this delivered, please.
Fill out this address card.
Oh, okay.
I noticed you've picked out a lot of our dinosaur items.
Oh, yeah. Actually, that's one of the reasons why we are not a couple.
I chose those. I'm a paleontologist.
Really? That is so cool.
Oh, yeah, don't get too worked up over it. I mean, it sounds like he's a doctor, but he's not.
No, I'm fascinated by paleontology. Have you read the new Walter Alvarez book?
Yeah, I teach it in my class.
Oh, my God. Standing at a cash register, I'm holding a credit card, and I'm bored.
I love your neighborhood. There's a great gym right around the corner from your building.
That's my gym.
I could tell you work out. Paleontologist who works out. You're like Indiana Jones.
I am.
She's in love with who I am. Back in high school, I used to bust it to the dance. Now I hit the FBO with duffels in my hands. I did half a Zan, 13 hours till I land. Had me out like a light.